Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain about cataract, what actually the cataract means, causes, symptoms and the surgery and aftercare. Basically, in our eyes, there is a part called lens which plays an important role in vision. But by any circumstances, if the lens becomes cloudy, then we call this condition as cataract. There are various causative factors for cataract, but most importantly, generally, cataract occurs in older age, that is, people greater than 60 years of age. As the age progresses, the lens, which is usually clearer, becomes cloudy and thereby impairs the vision. And we also see cataract in newly born people. The main reason behind this is in the pregnancy, if the mother has malnutrition, then the child may have cataract. And the other possible causative factor is traumatic injuries to the eye. And people who are underlying medical conditions like people with diabetes and people who take large amount of medicines like steroids and people with excessive UV radiation also may have cataract. Now we'll go with the symptoms of cataract. Basically, if a person has cataract, the vision progressively reduces, it becomes blurred, and this is more predominantly seen in evening time whenever if a person drives. Because of the reflection from the headlight, the person may unable to focus and the vision is very blurred in these people. Now we'll go with the surgery. Surgery of cataract can be done in different ways. First is the conventional method, where a surgical blade is used to remove the lens and later a new lens is placed. We call this surgery as ECCE, that is extracapsular cataract extraction. And the other method is the modern method. We call it as phacoemulsification or phaco technique. In this technique, ultrasound vibrations are used to remove the lens. Once the lens is removed, a new lens is placed and surgery is completed. And the other method is by using a laser. These are all the different methods to operate a cataract. Now we'll go with the preparation for surgery. Basically, cataract surgery is a very simple procedure, but people who are under diabetes, their sugar levels should be under control, and people who have hypertension, their blood pressure levels should be under control, and people who are with underlying heart problem, they should get their ECG and 2D echo test done before the procedure. And also people on blood thinners, especially aspirin, warfarin, etc., please take the doctor's suggestion before undergoing the procedure. And the complete time for this surgery will take approximately 15 to 30 minutes, and the cost of this surgery varies, and it varies from 5,000 to 30,000, and it may also go high. And the cost totally depends upon the severity of the cataract and in which hospital or organization we are undergoing the surgery, what type of intraocular lens we are using, and what is the technique or what is the type of surgery we are undergoing. The cost may vary. Coming to the surgery aftercare, the operated eyes should not be rubbed and people should avoid taking head bath, and we should clean our face with a wet towel. We should avoid watching TV, laptop, etc., and we should avoid any kind of dust, smoke, etc. And if the person have certain erythematous or reddish eyes, or if there is sudden decrease in vision, or if there is any white discharge, please consult your nearest doctor. And if two eyes are need to be operated, after one eye if cataract surgery is done, we should wait for at least 2 weeks and we should operate the other eye. This is all about the cataract surgery. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.